Hello, my beautiful students. Welcome to our YouTube channel, English Fluency, the podcast. I am so happy to see you today. Today, I have a very special story for you. It is a story about a girl, a boy, and the magic of a small town. This is a story for beginners, so I will use simple words to help you learn. Please listen carefully to the sounds and the feelings in this story. Let's begin our journey. The small town. Once upon a time, there was a tiny town near the sea. The houses were all painted bright colors, blue, yellow, and red. In the middle of the town, there was a bakery that smelled like warm bread and cinnamon every morning. A girl named Rose was the baker. She loved to wear a checkered apron and bake bread while listening to the birds sing. The stranger in the rain. One cloudy afternoon, Rose was decorating a cake with white frosting. Suddenly, the sky turned gray, and it started to rain very hard. Ding! The bakery door opened. A man walked in, shaking the water from his coat. He was carrying a big black portfolio bag. His face was kind, but he looked very tired and wet. This was Daniel, an artist from the city. He looked at the warm bread and smiled for the first time in days. Rose offered him a hot cup of tea and a fresh, warm croissant. The secret drawings. After that day, Daniel came to the bakery every evening. Rose made him special cakes, and he sat quietly by the window. But Daniel was not just eating, he was drawing. Rose wondered what he was sketching. One evening, he was too busy drawing to notice his tea getting cold. Rose walked over and peeked over his shoulder. She gasped. He wasn't drawing the rain or the street. He was drawing her. There were sketches of Rose smiling, Rose baking, and Rose decorating cakes. Every drawing captured her kindness. The shared sunrise. Months passed. It was now summer. Rose and Daniel stood on the beach early one morning. The sun was just rising, painting the sky in soft shades of orange, pink, and purple. They held hands as they watched the sunrise over the calm water. "Rose," Daniel said softly, "you gave me warmth when I was cold and wet. You made me want to draw beauty again." "I love you. I love you too, Daniel," Rose replied, her eyes bright with happiness. Together, they didn't just share a bakery or an art studio. They shared their lives. Conclusion. I hope you enjoyed this journey about Rose and Daniel. This love story reminds us that kindness can start something beautiful, just like a seed growing into a flower. Thank you for listening to English Fluency, the podcast. Practice your English every day. Listen to the story again to learn the new words, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.